5 years, over 123,000 miles. That old friend right there, guess what? It's gonna get retired. Let me introduce you to the brand new RVerTV ride. And I'm setting up the power system right now so we can get on the road this summer in 2025, and it's going to be powered by Epoch Batteries. These things are a beast of a batteries. I'm going to show you what we're going to get in here. Working on all the wiring right now. I have 3 Epoch RV 460 amp hour batteries set up in parallel. I'm going to hook up the inverter to them. We're going to run the roof air off of it, electric heater, all kinds of cool stuff. These are about the best built batteries I've ever seen. They're waterproof, they got handles, they have the controls to hook to Victron controllers, which I don't have yet. They're Bluetooth, all kinds of cool stuff. In the new van, I got a built-in refrigerator. There's going to be a few things. I'll go through that in another video. Right now we're going to work on getting some power generated in here. Here's the wires. I got to put a panel across to mount the inverter. I'm going to do that. But first, let's jump over on Epoch's website. I'll show you the website first, and then I'll get this thing wired up. Okay, just go to Google, Epoch Batteries, search them out. This link right here will be in the description that we click right here. All you gotta do is click it and get on over to their website. These guys build super high-end, long-lasting, these are lifetime batteries. You're gonna put this stuff in your boat, RV, whatever. There's Tito. He reviewed them. He loves them. Absolutely everybody loves Epoch batteries. There's their marine batteries, golf cart, RV. You name it right there. That's a 460. They even make rack mount batteries for solar systems. So if you're off grid, 48 volt, that's no problem. They even have a 48 volt for RVs and whatnot. So also what was really impressive, you go to their support page. Check this out. This is cool. Instant support. They have their own Facebook groups dialed in with over 5,000 members. Look at that. 5,000 members. You can ask a question in a group chat. You'll get an answer probably right away. It's all very current, like right there 22 hours ago. They also have the same thing for marine. They have their marine group chat here. And golf carts. So if you're on a course looking for your golf ball, say I have a question about the battery in my cart, check them out. One thing I'm going to show you, I'm going to order. I haven't done it yet. I'm going to get the battery charger. That's going to be installed. I haven't ordered it yet, but I will here in the next day or two. Be installing their battery charger. They also have all kinds of accessories here. Different wiring, all that, even a touchscreen display. I want to get that as well. So I'm not done yet. The van is new. It takes a lot of work. Actually, it takes months to put something like that together. Another thing I like too, here's the map. Guess where they're located? USA, Georgia. Local address, phone numbers, their support team, everything. It's right here in the good old USA. Once again, Epoch. All right. What do you say? Let's get back out to the van. We're going to see if we can run an air conditioner off them batteries. Heck yeah. All right. as a look at their website. These 3 batteries would equal 12 100 amp hour. Actually more than 12. It's 1300 and we'll just call it 1300 plus watt amp hours. I'm going to clean up some of the wiring. Don't judge yet. It's not done. But I'm trying to do this plus do videos at the same time. You can see the van's going to look almost identical to the white one on the inside. But what these 3 Epoch 460 RV batteries amp hour are going to allow me is to stay set up longer. I plan on doing a lot more off-grid type video this year, especially once we hit the parks. They're fully charged. I have them all charged up. I did charge them full for this test because what I want to do is run the roof air. I'm actually going to plug the entire van system, electrical system, into the inverter, and we're going to run the roof air. I do have a 400 watt solar panel on the roof installed already. That's what that gray box is there. There's a controller and everything's set up and working. Oh, there's also an app. There's an Epoch app. So these batteries are Bluetooth and you can hook it to them. I have an iPhone, so you can get it on iOS or you can get it on Android, either one. You can actually access their website straight off the app. All the different batteries and whatnot, support. You can click right through straight off your phone. Then go back to the home page here. They do have operation manuals, battery care, their phone number, email, website. So you can get support that way if you need it. Once again, if you're on the golf course looking for that golf ball, say I got a question about my Epoch battery. I need to go golfing soon. Here, let's click on one of the user manuals. Probably one of the best apps I've seen for batteries. I've tested a few through the years. I'm very excited to have these for my power plant. I'll show more of it this summer when we're on the road too. There's your user manual. Just look up the battery, website, everything right off the app. They even have battery care and maintenance on their app. Incredible. First class. Okay, there's the 3,000 watt inverter. Took it out of the white van. That junction box right there is plugged in, which is feeding power. It's feeding 110 volt and 12 volt all through the van right now. Those plugs are live. All my lights, wall lights are on. Power there. Also, here's the built-in fridge in this cabinet. It's running right now off the Epoch batteries. So it's on. That'll be on 24/7. Let me plug in this fan here. One-handed. Okay. So I can run fans. A lot of times I sit in parking lots and edit when I'm waiting for whatever, lighting, time of day, getting in RV parks, travel. So I can just set up anywhere this van parks, and that's the whole goal, and that's why these Epoch batteries are just going to be priceless this summer. This has probably been the biggest step up for running off grid. Here's the computer setup, flat screen, All that'll be powered straight off the batteries 24/7, even if I power it in. I did add a 30 amp shore power system to the van so I can plug in as well as at a campground, which will charge these batteries right next to inverters, where I'll set up that Epoch battery charger once I get it here. So if the van is plugged in, it'll charge the battery as well, plus solar. Just a win-win. There's the old motorhome, remember that thing? I still have it. All right, well, let me do this. I'm going to rig it up. We're actually going to plug the van into that inverter and start running some stuff off of it right here, that cord. First, here's a Vornado electric heater. I did not put a diesel heater in this van, so I'll run electric straight off the batteries. Look at that, with the heater on, it didn't even drop them. 13.5 volts. Them things got just a massive amount of storage. So I can run heat straight off that inverter. Runs great. And the fridge is running right now, and everything else in the van, anything 12 volt, is still running right now too, off that system. Kind of a cloudy day, half cloudy. It's not getting the best solar. That's not even touching the storage yet. All right, well, let's do this. I'm going to plug in the van. I haven't done it yet. You're going to see it first, just like me. I have a roof mount Rec Pro. That's actually a heat pump that'll generate heat and air conditioning, 13,000 BTU. All right, I'm going to put this adapter on. I have a 30 amp shore power setup on the van. It'll plug in right there. Okay, we are wired in. Getting ready. See, if I can run that air conditioner, I can just stay off grid all the time this summer. Don't have to worry about shore power. This opens up so much. I got separate breakers on the air conditioner and all the different things here, so we're going to turn everything on. And we'll get this thing fired up, see if it starts cooling down. I bet it will. I bet it runs great. Roof air on a van, pulling straight off that inverter with these 3 workhorse Epoch 460 amp hour batteries hooked in parallel. Heck yeah. Look at that, took it down to 13.1 volt. Not even touching them. That's incredible. Plus the fridge is going. We got other things going in here besides that roof air. Yeah, it's a 13,500 BTU Rec Air. It also has a built-in heater. It's a heat pump, like a mini split. It's a different setup than just a regular RV type AC. So I can even generate heat off of it. I am just thrilled with this. It works. I got more wiring to do. Once again, don't judge yet. We're just getting going. Just putting in all the paneling, the air insulation, everything. It's been a lot so far through the winter. This is a 2025 Sprinter. So I'll have good warranty on it, and we're gonna wear it out again like we did the white one. Next 4 or 5 years, we're gonna be traveling all over the country, powered with these great Epoch batteries. Okay, dropped 1/10 of a volt. That's running at AC. Alright, I'm gonna button some of this up. I'll show you what it looked like. This is actually the bed. This is the bed frame. There's a chunk of wood that'll go over top of all this. I'll show you that. Alright, I'm gonna leave the sides off for now because I got a lot more to do yet in this van build. But the bed goes here, right over top of the power system, plus I'll have extra storage down below. Be sure to click all the links down in the description. I want to thank Epoch personally for sending me the batteries. They will be a major upgrade and power system for years to come for RVerTV. Talk soon.